Hi, it's Perry with PapercraftingThreads. Today I'm gnomifying the Spooky Treats paper pumpkin kit with a faux step card. Start with a piece of pumpkin pie card measuring 4 inches by 4 inches and stamp the sentiment trick or treat all over the surface. I began in the top middle to figure out the spacing. For the next row, I stamped in between 2 of the sentiments on the row above. Continue in this manner until the entire front is stamped. I stamped bat images in Memento black ink on a piece of scrap pumpkin pie card. I stamped Happy Halloween in Orchid Oasis ink on a strip of Orchid Oasis card measuring 3/8 of an inch by 2 3/8 of an inch. Then I die cut the pants in Orchid Oasis, the beard from Basic Black, and the nose from Parakeet Party, all from the Gnomes die set. I die cut the hat from the bat patterned paper I stamped earlier. Then I used liquid glue to assemble my Gnomie. I used a swipe of alcohol ink from a Parakeet Party blend to add some shadow to the nose, and then I popped it up with a dimensional. I popped up the sentiment on one of the patterned labels from the kit. I cut a piece of gray granite card to 4 1/4 inches by 11 inches and scored the long side at 4 1/4 inches, 8 1/2 inches, and 9 3/4 inches. Then I folded it as shown into a wonky M, or mountain fold, valley fold, mountain fold pattern. I burnished those folds with a bone folder. I folded another piece of gray granite 2 1/2 inches by 7 1/2 inches at 5 1/2 inches. I cut another bat patterned label from the kit in half and adhered both to the narrow front panel. Then I adhered the stamped trick-or-treat paper to the back panel. To add the narrow gray granite strip, I added adhesive to just the short edge and lined it up with the front edge of the card base. Next, I flipped the card over, added adhesive to the opposite short edge, and closed the flap. The faux step base is done, and now on to finish the decorating. I added a strip of pumpkin pie measuring 2 3/8 inches by 5 3/8 inches down the center of the card. The sentiment strip was lined up with the other bat patterned papers. Two dimensionals were placed on one side of the gnome to allow him to hang slightly off the left side. Wink of Stella for a bit of sparkle on the beard. Then a sprinkle of adhesive-backed black stars from the kit to finish off the card. And there you have it, a faux step card with a Gnomie. For more inspiration, please check out my website at Thanks for watching, and please give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel.